To start the experiment, you must first set up the fractional distillation apparatus. First, place the 100 milliliter round bottom flask with a 1-inch stir bar onto a cork ring for later use. Attach a metal clamp to the column, trying to center it above the hot plate and/or stir plate. Next, attach the distillation head. Next, attach the rubber thermometer adapter to the glass thermometer adapter, and then connect it to the distillation head. Now insert the thermometer to the appropriate position. Now, attach the condenser to the distillation head with the glass outlets facing up. Connect the vacuum adapter and then attach the Keck clamps to the appropriate glass joints. Clamp the centrifuge tube labeled A under the vacuum adapter. Next, loosely wrap the column and distillation head with cotton and then aluminum foil. Connect the water inlet and outlet hoses to the appropriate positions on the condenser and then attach the hose clamps. Now lightly grease the glass joint on the column. Place the 100 milliliter round bottom flask into the largest hole in the aluminum heating block that is centered on the hot plate. Slowly raise it up with the lab jack until the round bottom is attached to the column. Once finished, get your TA to check out your setup. Job well done, Matthew. Some students just know it.